Welcome in, DIYers. We are looking at a budget-friendly and easy way to install handrails. You start with 2x4s as your cross supports, and from Amazon you can buy brackets to put on the end of them. These brackets have 2 screws that screw into the end of the board, and then 4 screws that mount that onto the post for your handrails. These are very easy to install and come with all the screws and hardware needed to install them. As you can see, we have a mark on our post where the top of this needs to be. So we measured that on all the posts all the way around the deck so that they all line up and they're all the same distance from the decking itself. You run in your 4 screws, make sure that they are snug but not over tightened, because if you over tighten it will shift that board one way or the other. Now, these balusters are aluminum balusters that you can buy, again, off of Amazon. And they come in packs of 25, 50, 100, and different increments as well. The easiest way that I have found to install these is by cutting a block that is 3.5 inches wide and using a clamp. You measure the spacing that you want to start your first spindle with, and then you screw that in. Then you place the block in between that and the next one all the way down. You clamp it on so that it stays in place, and you run your screw in the top section of the spindle or baluster. That makes sure that you are even all the way down, and then you can go back later and do the bottom sections. These are also very easy to install. They come with all the hardware and screws that you need, and you put 1 screw in the top, 1 screw in the bottom, and you're done. It doesn't get any simpler than that. Now we move to the bottom of the spindles. You want to take a measurement and make sure you start the same distance from the post as you did on the top screws. You then use that same block that you used with a clamp on the top screws, and you place it in between each one on the bottom. That gives you the same exact distance on the top and bottom to make sure all the spindles run level and equally. That simple install would be enough to finish off the handrails. But if you want to give it a little bit more of a finished look and have a more defined top rail, you could do what I did in these photos and add a 2x6 handrail on top of everything, really just to give it a nice finished look. I hope this was helpful to you. We'll see you next time.